Yes, hello again, folks. I'm having a lot of fun today. I spent probably 3 hours doing the sycamore seeds. I wanted to give a real quick look at. Don't look at the other paper yet. I'm going to go there in a second. But there is a sycamore seed. The way I was getting them the best, um, you take the fuzzy thing off, it comes out that direction. Pull it out, and it's got fuzz all over it. And I was just taking this little paper clip and going on the end and knocking the fuzz off. So I was doing that for about, like I said, about 3 hours, and I've got about that much, about a quarter inch, half inch of actual seeds, and that was only off of 2 balls of the balls that I have. I still got crap loads more. I've got like 5 more in there. I'm just leaving them in that drawer. But anyway, I of course ended up getting a little bored um, sitting there playing with those seeds, so I decided to go on to rhododendron seeds. I walked around outside, and um, now what I've had read and found out from other videos and stuff like that was what you want to do is get the seeds when they basically look like that, because then they are opening up to drop the seeds. A lot of them are going to be already empty. They will have dropped. I don't know if the ones that look like that are still viable or have seed in them. We're going to find out in a minute. But these ones will be like right next to those ones. They haven't opened up yet. This one here looks like it was just starting to open up. So it's working a little bit on that. Those little tiny dots right there are seeds. I'm sure of it. You get a lot of dust and a lot of pieces, parts as you play with stuff, but those are the seeds. They've got, don't breathe on them because they'll fly away. um, anyway, they've got a little tiny point on one side, a little bump in the middle, and kind of like a little hairy edge on the other side. So those are the seeds, according to. I saw one uh, video that took a microscope and really showed them up close, but I can see that those are the same thing as what was on the thing, so that's what they are. So let's see where we get them from. Set the ones that we have off to the side here and clean this up a little bit. I'm going to take one of these ones that is opened. This is what I've been doing. Take off one of the outside edges and you just kind of crack it a little bit and see what falls out. If anything does, you keep it. If anything looks just like pieces of that, you're going to brush it away. So, didn't look like there was anything in that one. Let's see if we can get one to fall while we're looking here. There's like 2 little ridges inside each one of those um, leaflet parts. So, let's see if we can get a seed to drop out. Of course, I'm not getting any now that I've turned the camera on. That's kind of par for the course. And like I said, some of these are going to be empty because they've already dropped their seeds. Ooh, I think I just got one. Alright, let's take a look here. Where'd my pencil go? Here we go. Yeah, that there looks like one of the seeds. It's got a point, a bulge, and a fuzzy end. So that's what we're going to keep. And none of that really looks like it. So we're going to brush that up to the side again. So this is going to be my rhododendrons from seed project. I will be planting these very soon. I do not think they need stratification any further than they've gotten in the winter so far. I will double check that with whatever information I can get online. There aren't exactly very many videos currently out there that show rhododendrons from seeds. So furthest into life I've seen one of was a year. So we're gonna keep these seeds going and follow their progress as the years go by and see what we get out of them. Took that out of the camera range there. Those are the seeds. And so you have to really watch the rhododendron seeds on the plant. I took my eyes off these guys for about an extra 2 weeks because they weren't ready before Christmas, and now that it's after after New Year's, I went back and looked, and boom, all of these things have opened up. So you got to keep a really close eye on these guys, I guess, to get them right when they start opening up, so you get more of the seeds. Let's see here. Let's get one of the bigger ones here. We'll drop some seeds, baby. Let's make this interesting for people. Ooh, that one had a whole bunch of stuff in it. That one was good. That's what we're looking for, folks. That will make me happy. Let's see how many of these are actually seeds. That's going to look like a seed. Come on, baby. And that's looking like a seed. That one's looking like a seed. Can't tell if that is or isn't. I'll put that in the seed category. Not sure if that's a seed. But we're going to put it with them. Let's see. It really does kind of look like it. One more here. So there's 2 more. 3 more. Let's get all of those guys over here. I'm going to keep anything that's that general shape or size, and we'll see if they grow. I mean, That's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I've got 15 some seeds out of just a couple of these pods. Let's get one more off this one that had all the ones that we just found. Oop, that one dropped a whole bunch more. So, yeah, I think we're going to be very happy. Get 10 some out of 20 seeds. Even if we only got a few, we'd be happy with really strong ones. So, we're going to take those seeds. I'm going to read up a little more about exactly what needs to be done to make sure they germinate, because the videos that I saw were put them in dirt, let them grow, but I'm not going to rely on that. I got to see if they need stratification any further or anything like that before we take any further steps. But we will follow the progress of these seeds as we go. And that's empty. And that one's empty. Another thing that I read was you can take these things and just stick them in a container over winter, let them open up in a container, and then do your best to sort out any dust and debris from any actual seeds that are in there. Not sure if that's going to be something you need to do for real. What happens with one of these things? I think these ones that haven't opened up are ones that didn't actually produce seeds. So you gotta look for the ones that are just like that, not like that, because these ones that aren't opening do not seem to have the parts that have the seeds in them. So that's going to be this video. Just wanted to have some more fun today. Thank you, of course, for watching. This has been a nice New Year day. It's January 2nd. Yay. I've got seeds. Yay. Um, sycamores are going to be going into refrigerator for at least a couple weeks here. Just because I need to make some space and room in the back room to actually plant these things. So these guys will probably go. I have to figure out exactly how those are germinated, but they'll go in the dirt pretty soon too. We'll update it then. Thank you very much. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, share with your friends, make a party of it. All right, goodbye.